ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकथा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिने नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशधारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे. Okay, so who learned this Panchatattva mantra? Roshni, did you learn that? Yeah,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
say? Can you say?
Yes. Shri Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Vasaji Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hari Bol, very good. Yes, I can see many hands raised. Okay. Yes, Arna.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Vasadhi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Hare Bol. Okay. So I will ask the end, okay, about others. To others, I will ask in the end. Okay, so today is the 8th chapter, Attaining the Supreme. Okay, chapter 8, Akshara Brahma Yoga. So this is very important because we will learn the form of Krishna, how the form of Krishna is, and how we should meditate on Krishna. Okay, so basically Arjuna is asking those engaged in devotional service, know how can they know you at the time of death. So how can somebody engaged in devotional service know you at the time of death? So what is devotional service? Yes, Lahari, what is devotional service? Devotional service means what we did now, that only.
Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes, chanting Hare Krishna. Then what you're doing now, listening to Bhagavad Gita. These are all devotional service. Okay, so devotional service includes 9 process, but I'll tell you the main 3 is Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. So hearing and chanting the holy name and remembering the Lord. Okay, hearing is also very important. Shravanam is very important. You should see, now you all have come to hear about Krishna. Okay, his pastimes, everything. So hearing about Krishna, chanting the holy name and remembering the Lord. Okay, so we will think how to remember Krishna. Some people, they think, okay, God is light, God is love, so there's no form, so that is Mayavadis. Okay, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says Mayavadis are Krishna aparadi. Okay, they are enemies of Krishna because they don't believe in the form of Krishna. We have a form, no, we have 2 hands, 2 legs, we look like this. Each person has a form, so why don't God has a form? So we should remember the God's form. Okay, I will tell you how to do it. See, here you can see a cocoon, right? And the caterpillar comes out from that, and then finally it becomes a butterfly. And Krishna is in everyone's heart. The universe is the cosmic form of the Supreme Lord, and Krishna represents the super soul, and he's in the heart of every living being. So Krishna says, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishtam. Ishvara sarva putanam hridesha arjuna tishtadi. So Krishna is in everyone's heart. Okay, so this caterpillar, everybody has Krishna in their heart as Paramatma. And this cocoon inside, it will think to become a butterfly. It always thinks to become a butterfly, and one day it becomes a butterfly. Similarly, if you always think of Krishna, you can go back to Krishna. And okay, yes, Mannat, you can recite the sloka. It's a very important sloka.
Yes, Mataji. Antakaale cha mameva smaranam muktva kalevaram ya prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra sanshaya.
Very good. Yes. Antakaleshu mameva smaran mukta kalevaram. Yes, Sai. Samyak, can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
Hmm.
And whoever at the time of death quits his body, remembering me alone, at once attains my nature. Of this there is no doubt.
So what does that mean? whoever remembers Krishna when he quits his body. What does that mean, Sai Samyak? Quits his
It-
body means?
when he dies.
Yeah, and who is this? Who is this person lying in
He's, I don't know, Mataji.
Sharashaya? Somebody after the after the war, what happens? You don't remember?
No,
Okay,
Mataji.
no problem. So this is okay. Who else will tell? Monish, yes, you know who that is? Yes, Monish.
Mataji, sorry to interrupt, Mataji.
Huh?
Somebody, Prashant is sending meet.google link and all. I don't know. You please reply
Just
to. Yeah.
no, block the chat. No.
No, you just inform in the chat that don't join that meeting. Some other meeting he's sending. That is not ours actually.
In the
Meet.google.com.
WhatsApp group.
Yes, Mataji, the 5:30 p.m. group,
Oh,
first group.
oh my God.
Please inform everyone not to join that one, please.
You also inform because
Yes,
I'm in the
Mataji.
class. I'll do.
Thank you,
Okay.
Mataji.
Okay. So basically, it is said whoever remembers Krishna at the time of death, okay, while quitting the body, remembers Krishna. Yes, Mannath, you can tell this who this person is. Can you tell?
Bhishma Pitamaha Mataji.
Yeah. So what is happening?
Actually Arjuna pierced him with all the arrows, and he's lying on the bed of the arrows, and he's
Mhm.
praying, and he's seeing the Lord and praying him.
Yes.
So he
Yes.
actually wanted to go to back to Godhead. He has got an Ichhamrityu benediction.
Hmm.
So he's actually remembering.
Yes. I can't hear you. Hare Krishna, Mannath, you got unmuted. Huh? Yes, Karti Prabhu, unmute her now.
Mannath, right?
Huh.
1 minute, Mataji. I'm just trying to find. I was.
Hare Krishna.
Ah,
Yeah.
yes. So what
Yeah,
happened?
sorry,
So
Mataji, I was disconnected.
no problem. So Bhishma Pita was lying on the Sharashaya, right? So at the end, and Bhishma has a boon. What is it? He can leave his body whenever he wish. Okay. So Bhishma has a boon like that. He can leave the body whenever he wish. And Bhishma was lying on the Sharashaya. So what happened when Bhishma was lying? He waited for Uttarayan. Okay. And that's an auspicious time. And Krishna was there. So what Bhishma prayed something, no? What prayer Bhishma prayed? Anybody knows? Diya, you know? We all chant. Some people, we all chant. Which is the prayer Bhishma Pita wrote?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes. What did Bhishma Pita write?
Ma'am, Mataji, I raised my hand for telling Bhishma Pitamaha how did he die, Mataji.
Yeah, but
So
he
I
wrote
don't
some Sahasranama. Which Sahasranama you know?
I don't know.
Vishnu Sahasranama. Okay. So Vishnu Sahasranama was written by Bhishma Pita. Okay. Glorifying Vishnu's 1,000 names. And in Vishnu Sahasranama, as many of the South Indians will be reciting, it is said, Shri Rama Rama Rame De Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. That means what? Shiva is telling Parvati, you should chant Rama's name. And Sahasranama Tattulyam Ramanama Varanane. The 1,000 names of Vishnu is equal to one name of Rama. Okay, so that's so powerful. The Lord Rama name is. Okay, 1,000 names of Vishnu makes one name of Rama, and 3 names of Rama makes one name of Krishna. So the name of Krishna. That's why we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay, which is very important. So here it is said, Antakalesha Mameva Smaran Muktam. Whoever remembers Krishna at the time of death, okay, that is when we are all soul, right? Spirit soul. So when we leave this body, that is at the time of death, if we remember Krishna, we will attain Krishna. So this is very important. So how can we attain Krishna? By remembering Krishna at the time of death. Now we'll think, all will think, how can we remember Krishna at the time of death? That's why we are training you to chant Hare Krishna. If you chant Hare Krishna, because Krishna and Krishna's name is both same. Okay, so if you chant Hare Krishna is equal to remembering Krishna. So that is very important. And at the time of death, that's why we say art of living is not important. Art of leaving is important. Leaving the body is important. I'll tell you an example how the remembering Krishna is very important at the time of death. Okay, so see, you can see somebody here. Okay, I'll tell you who that is. Okay, now Mannat, just recite this sloka.
Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Huh.
Yam yam vapi swaran bhavam tyajante kalevaram tam tameveti konteya sada tad bhava bhavita.
Yes. Kyati, can you read that sloka, the translation?
Yes. Whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body, that state he will attain without fail.
Yes. So what does that mean? Whatever we remember when we die, right? So we attain that. So that is the meaning. Okay. Yes, Kyati, thank you. So whatever state we remember at the time of death, okay. So that means whatever our thoughts are, what will we remember? See, if somebody who is very attached to money, okay, they will think only about money. Oh, what will happen to my money when I die? And somebody who's so attached to something else, they think of that. Okay, so in childhood itself we should start. Some sound is coming. Okay, so we should start remembering Krishna. Then at the time of leaving the body, you can remember Krishna. So this is Bharat Maharaj. Okay, so Bharat Maharaj, he was a very auspicious king and he used to rule his kingdom so well. Okay, so one day what happened? He left his wife, all his children, everything, and he went to forest to meditate on Krishna to do sacrifice. And see, he is doing sacrifice, yajna. Okay, and he is doing sacrifice, he is offering fruits and all to Krishna, everything he's doing. Suddenly he saw a deer. Okay, and that mother deer was pregnant. This deer came to drink water from the river. So when it was drinking water, he suddenly a lion came, and this deer has to run. So this deer, oh my god, I think Mannat, can you unmute your mute your mic? Some disturbance is coming. Some co-host, please be careful. So what happened? The deer was pregnant and it got so scared of seeing the lion. It started running, and finally in that fear it delivered a baby deer. Okay, and the mother died. So the baby deer was protected by Bharat Maharaj. Okay, Bharat Maharaj went and hugged the baby deer. See, you can see here, he took care of the baby deer. He gave food for him to eat, everything he did, and he became so attached to the baby deer. He forgot his sacrifice, he forgot his bhakti. See how he is taking care of the deer from the river, and he took care of the deer very well. And finally what happened? He forgot Krishna, he forgot everything. Finally he was only thinking about the deer, and when he was about to die, he got a next life, he got a deer form. See, this is what it shows. Shastras are showing us the example how our mind should be fixed on Krishna in order to go back to Krishna. Okay, but if you chant Hare Krishna in your whole life, then you will remember Krishna. Not suddenly you can't remember one day, okay, I won't chant now, later in my life I will chant. No, you should start your devotional service now. Okay, it is very important. See, Prahlad Maharaj is saying. Okay, so yes, Haripriya, can you unmute and read the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
Haripriya.
Therefore, Arjuna, you should always think of me in the form of Krishna, and at the same time carry out your prescribed duty of fight. With your activities dedicated
Yes.
to me and your mind and intelligence fixed on me, you will attain me without doubt.
Hari Bol, very good. Yes. So, what is Krishna saying to Arjuna? You should always think of me. See, how to think of Krishna? In the form of Krishna. See, what is the form of Krishna? The two-handed Shyam Sundar form with a flute. You all drew Krishna, no? So when you are drawing Krishna, you didn't draw light, you didn't draw anything, any vacuum space. You draw a person, right? You draw a form of the Lord. So that is God. So if somebody comes and tell you God doesn't have a form, you should tell, no, he is a person. He has a form. The form of Krishna, the two-handed form. Okay, that is the final form. And Krishna is saying, you should think of Krishna and carry out your duty. So you are, as children, your duty is to study. You should study at the same, and also think of Krishna. And your mind and intelligence fixed on Krishna, you will attain Krishna. And Prahlad is saying that you can do it in your childhood itself. See, begin your devotional service in childhood. Prahlad in 7th canto Srimad Bhagavatam says, okay, Kaumare Acharet Pratne. So Kaumara, at the age, very young age only, you should start your bhakti. See, when you chant Hare Krishna, your parents, they will be happy. But when your relatives, your neighbors, they come, your friends come, they will tell, why are you chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna? You are so young. You are for 10 years old. You are 8 years old. No, this is not the time to do bhakti. You can do it when you are old. See, your grandparents, you can do when you are 50, 60, 70. Not now. Bhakti abhi nahi karne ka. Now you don't waste your time doing this, right? They will say that. Okay, many people told me also, why you are doing it now? You can do it when you are old. But no, in Shastra, it is said you should start your devotional service in childhood itself, because we are soul. The body is getting aged, right? We are soul, and we have crossed so many life and come here, and we should start our bhakti in young age. And we don't know. See, we are seeing corona, what people are, so many accidents are happening. So any age people can die at any age. It is not guarantee. I can't give guarantee that I will live 60 years, 70 years. No, I don't know what will happen next moment. I don't know tomorrow what will happen. Only Krishna knows, right? When we are born, only our expiry date is also written. Like, we have no expiry date for products, powder, everything. Like that, our expiry date is also written. That day we have to go back. Yamasya karuna nasti. The Yamaraj, no, who comes, he doesn't have any karuna, daya. He'll take you. What? It's over. Your life is over. Come, let's go. So we have to leave everything and go. Mrityu harascha sarvam harascha. So Mrityu, death will take everything from us, but our soul will go back. But when it goes, the bhakti will go with you. Your devotional service will go with you. Okay. See, next life, when I come, I have to start from LKG. With whatever till MBBS I studied, it's all waste now. Because in next life, I have to start from LKG, UKG, and then again go to medical college. I can't go next life and tell, see, give my certificate. I did MBBS last life, Janma, give, let me become a doctor. No, I have to start from LKG. Okay. But in devotional life, see, whatever you chanted now, that is a bank balance for you. It is a fixed deposit. Okay. It doesn't change. That's why we are telling you in childhood, you should start. Because when you become old, you can't memorize, you can't read, you can't do bhakti very well. Okay. Some people can do, but not everybody can do it. So you should taste bhakti in your childhood itself. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Kali Yuga and gave this Hare Krishna mantra to all of us. Yes, please unmute yourself and chant Hare Krishna. Everybody, one time.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Hare,
Rama,
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Krishna.
Yes, very good. So this is what we should do in
Hare
Kali
Rama,
Yuga.
Hare Rama, Hare.
Yes. Yes, thank you. So this is what we have to do when we are in Kali Yuga. Okay, the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And Krishna is saying in 8.8. Okay, who will read this? Yes, Chaitrika, can you unmute yourself and read that? Yes? Yes, Chaitrika, go ahead. . What happened? You can't unmute. Just click that mic button. Yes.
He who meditates on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his mind constantly enjoined in remembering me. Undivided from the path, he, O Partha, Arjuna is sure to reach me.
Okay, thank you. So he who meditates on the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So we should meditate on the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So meditation is in Satya Yuga. That is true. But we can remember Krishna. Meditating means remembering Krishna. And Krishna's photos or Vigraha, Krishna's form, Krishna's name, qualities, the pastimes or stories, everything is Krishna. So anything what you remember is Krishna. All that. Okay. And if you are undeviated, you are sure to reach me. Okay, so this is Ajamila. Okay. Okay. So Mannat, can you say the story of Ajamila in short? What happened to Ajamila? How he went back to Krishna? Anybody else know?
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mannat.
Yeah, my voice is coming, Mataji.
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Okay. So, like once Ajamila was a really great Brahmana, and he was married. Once he like went to collect some flowers for the Lord, and then he just saw a prostitute. So he was like saw him and like fell in love for her, and then he like he was like all crazy to marry her. So though he was a great Brahmana, still like he like married her, and he told his wife that I have taken a maid for you because you really you must be tired in doing all the household work. Then for because of that, the wife actually um, didn't live with Ajamila, and because like no, he used to get a lot of money through the you know uh, through charity, like they gave. So after he married the prostitute, no one actually gave him any of the money for the dakshina. So because he was not getting any money, he needs to actually he needs some money. So he started to do some bad activities. So he was a brahmana, like gambling, like cheating. Then after that he tried to steal, and then even no one actually gave him any charity or anything. So when he so after that like her wife gave a son. Then they give the name to the son Narayana. He always like whenever he says, Narayana, where are you? Narayana, did you eat your food? What are you doing, Narayana? So every time he was like, Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. And at the time of death, he was like, Narayana, save me, please save me. Like Yamaraja came, that what have you done? So he was not actually calling the Lord, but he was calling his son. Narayana, please help me, Narayana. I'm in great pain. So because of he called to his even the son, but Narayana actually came, and he was like, Yamaraja, why are you here? He called me Narayana, but what are you talking? He called his son. He did a lot of bad activities, but still, like Narayana saved him. And then the Ajamila went to the temple. Like, what have I done? I ruined my whole life. He was like 88, and then he offered his full life to Krishna. At the end of the life, he went back to the Krishna.
Haribol, yes. So the Ajamil, just because he called Narayana at the end, okay, Vishnu Dudas came and they are the associates of Narayana and they helped. So finally, Jamila left everything, went to Rishikesh and did meditation, did chanting the Krishna's name, and finally, see Yamadudas, they came in this this one, this aeroplane, and then took him back. Okay, the Vishnu Dudas, they took him back. So this is what the importance of chanting the holy name is. Okay, but don't think Ajamila suddenly started. No, even before he was a Brahmana and he did so many devotional service. So whatever you do, no, it's good for you. It's like a permanent bank balance for you. Okay, yes. And what does Krishna says? Kartika, can you unmute and read this? Yes, Kartika. Isha. Oh yeah,
Yes,
Kartika.
Mataji.
Yes, Kartika.
Yes, Mataji. One should meditate upon the Supreme Person as the one who knows everything. He is
He is the maintainer of everything. So we should meditate not on the Supreme Person. Okay, who is Supreme Person? Krishna. See, you can see his beautiful form with the peacock feather, the color. Okay, so this is the form of Krishna, and we should meditate on Krishna in this form and think that he knows everything. He's the maintainer of everything. See, so this is what yesterday we learned, right? Krishna is God. He is a person. He has Sham Sundar form, and we should meditate on that form. Okay. So in Brahma Samhita, it says, yes, Manat, Venum Kanvanta.
Yeah, Mataji. Venum kavantamaravindalayataksam barahavatam samasitam buddhasundarangam kandarpakotikamani visheshashobham govindamadipurusham tamaham bhajami.
Yes. So we have reference from Brahma Samhita. Brahma says, Venum Kanvantam Aravinda Dayalagasham. See, Krishna, Venum Kanvantam, he holds a Venu or the flute. And Aravinda Dayaladaksham, his eyes are like lotus petals. See, you've seen lotus petals? It has so wide, no, and very cute it is. So that is Krishna's eyes. And he has a flute. Barhavatam Shamashitam Buddha Sundarangam. He has a peacock feather on his head. And Kantarpakodi Kamaniya Vishesha Shogam. His beauty is like 1,000 cupids together. Cupid, okay, together makes Krishna's beauty. Govinda Madipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. He is Govinda, the first Purusha, and Tamaham Bhajami. And in Srimad Bhagavatam also, it is said, Barhapidam Natavarapu Karnayo Karnikaram Vibratva Kanaka Kapisham Vaichayantim Chamala Randran Venoratara Sudaya Purayan Gopa Vrindair Vrindaranyam Sopadaраmanam Pravishat Gita Kirti. Barhapidam, Krishna, the God, has peacock feather on his head. Okay, Barhapitam Natavarapu, and he has yellow flowers on his hair. He wears which mala? Vaichayanti mala. And Randran Venur, he's having flute in his hand, and he comes with his boyfriends to Vrindavan. Okay, so this is the form of Krishna. And in Mugadna Mala also it is said, Jayadu Jayadu make a Shyama Komalango. So he is the color of the cloud. So how can somebody say God has no form? That is wrong. So if somebody asks you that God has a form, yes, he has a two-handed form. Okay. Yes, Niranjan. So what is the form of Lord? What is his form?
He is Neelamega Sham Krishna.
Yes, Neelameka Shyam Krishna. Thank you. So he is Neelameka, the cloud, no, the freshly formed monsoon cloud. So he's bluish black. Okay. It is blue, but a blackish mixture he has. Okay, bluish black. And since God, man is made out of the image of God, okay, so that we have a form, God also has a form. So this is the important takeaway lesson today. Krishna is God. He is a person. He has Shyam Sundar form. See, Krishna has many forms. Like you can see universal form. Okay, there is a four-handed form and two-handed form. But the two-handed form is the greatest. Okay, that is Krishna's form. So when you meditate, it should be on this form. Okay, you should see with yellow garment. See, yellow garment, you can see the forest flowers, the garland. yellow garment, and then the garland, then you have the flute. Always when you draw Krishna, so I've seen so many people drawing, but some people didn't draw the peacock feather. You always, Krishna has peacock feather, and Krishna has flute in his hand. Even when he's breaking butter pots, there will be flute in his waist. So flute is should be there with Krishna, and peacock feather, and he wears yellow garment. When you draw Krishna, draw with yellow garment. Okay, so yellow color garment he wears, and a forest flower like this. So this is the form of Krishna we should meditate on, and we have evidences in the Shastra. And see, not only us, see Brahma also meditate on the Vishnu form of Krishna, and Shiva also meditate on Sankarshan form of Krishna. So these are all expansion of Krishna. I will tell you how. And see, in Vaikunta, the four-handed of Krishna is worshipped by Shiva, everyone. So this is the form of Krishna. And here I will tell you in Golok Vrindavan chart. Okay, this is a chart of Golok Vrindavan, and okay, so here, because some people are confused, what is Krishna, Vishnu, and all. See this one, the center. Okay, center is Radha Krishna. This is Golok Vrindavan. Okay, and from Radha Krishna, the Ashtasakis, Radha Rani expands as Ashtasakis, Lalita, Vishaka, all that, and their assistants are the Manjaris, Rupa Manjari, Radhi Manjari, and all that. So when you come down, okay, so when you come down, you can see that Krishna expands as Balram first, and from Balram comes Sankarshan, Pradyumnan, Aniruddhan, Vasudev, and all that, and from them comes the Vishnu forms. Okay, so everybody thinks Krishna is an avatar of Vishnu. No, Krishna is avatari. Okay, Krishna is avatari. From Krishna, Vishnu has come. The expansion is Vishnu. Okay, and Vishnu is three types are there: Kshirodakshai Vishnu, Karadakshai Vishnu, okay, and Garbhodakshai Vishnu. So see here, the Vishnu is lying here. Garbhodakshai Vishnu, you can see here Garbhodakshai Vishnu. He's lying in the Garbhodaga ocean, and from his navel, see, a lotus flower come, and in the lotus Brahma is there. And somebody asked me yesterday, Brahma is the primary creator. No, Brahma is the secondary creator. Brahma was created by Vishnu, okay, from his navel. And you can see all the lokas here. In middle it is Bhumi, okay, and above 6 lokas, below 7 lokas. Last is Patala. But this is okay. You don't have to remember now. This is in advanced study Bhagavatam. I'm just telling, this is what the highest is Golok Vrindavan, where Krishna resides. Okay, and this is a form. And from Bhumi, you can see this Hare Krishna mantra directly goes to Golok Vrindavan. That's the importance of Hare Krishna mantra. Okay, so when you chant Hare Krishna mantra, it directly reach here. This Hare Krishna mantra. That is the importance of Hare Krishna mantra. So when we chant Hare Krishna, we can cross everything and finally reach to Krishna. So you should always meditate on this form of Krishna, which is the two-handed form. Okay. So let me ask someone. Yes, Anirudh. So who is God? Anirudh?
God is a person, Mataji.
And what is his name?
Krishna.
Krishna. And what is the form of Krishna? What is the form? कैसा दिखता है Krishna? It's a two-handed form. He's a two-handed form. Yes, and he has a peacock feather and a flute with him. See, always a flute with him. And he's make a shama color, right? The color of cloud. He's bluish black. Okay. So this is the form of Krishna. God is Krishna. He is a person and he has two-handed form, the Shyam Sundar form. You can tell Shyam Sundar form. Okay. Fine. So that is about Krishna.
Okay.
And yes, so and see how he'll do pastimes here in Vrindavan with all the animals and monkeys, and he's with his friends. This is Agasur. Okay, that Leela will come later. We'll tell you when you come to Krishna book, and see how Krishna stealing butter. So all this is pastimes of Krishna. You can remember all this. Okay, and this is Krishna's friend called Sudama. Okay, so let me tell this story. So Sudama was Krishna's classmate. Okay. So Sudama or Kujela, you tell no, Vipra. Sudama Vipra. So he's a Brahmana. Okay, you can see the thread. And when Krishna and Balram, when they went to Santipani's Muni's ashram to learn, okay, 64 days, Krishna learned 64 arts. Okay, even though he's God, he accepted a guru. He's showing us how we should accept guru. Okay, so Krishna is showing us how we should accept a guru. Okay, so Krishna accepted a guru and he is learning. So from that place in Santipani Muni's ashram, Krishna got a friend called Sudama. And Sudama and Krishna was very close friends. See, they are sharing their lunch box. See, when you go to school, you share your lunch box, you share your chocolates with your friends, right? Similarly, Krishna also shared everything with Sudama. And one day, Santipani Munis, his gurus, teachers, wife, asked them to go to forest and get some wood, firewood. So they went, and it was raining heavily. See, all thunderstorm was coming, and Krishna and Sudama was hiding behind a tree. Finally, they climbed this tree, and Krishna sat down. Sudama went up and sat. But the teacher's wife, she gave some chickpeas, okay, chana, to eat while they are on the way. But Sudama, he was so hungry, he ate everything. He ate Krishna's portion also. Then Krishna was hungry. Krishna asked Sudama, where is my chickpeas? And then Sudama told, oh, that all got lost. It got wet. Actually, Sudama ate it. Then what happened? They learned everything from Sandipani Muni, Krishna and Sudama. And finally, as you depart, no, after 10th standard, after 12th standard, you finish your school, then you go to college. So the school was over and they went apart. Krishna went to Dwaraka. And Sudama was a Brahmin. He became very poor. Okay. See, he became very poor, very thin. He was like this. He became very thin. So he didn't have any food. He had 27 children and he didn't have any food for his children and wife. And so many days they fasted. They were hungry. Okay. And finally, Sudama's wife told, your friend is Dwaragadesh. He's the king of Dwaraka. Go to Krishna and ask. He will give everything. So finally, Sudama went to Krishna. So Sudama thought Krishna forgot him. No, Krishna won't forget anybody. Whatever small thing you did, na, see, today you all chanted, Krishna will remember, okay, this person chanted my name. So whatever we do to Krishna, he'll remember. So Krishna remembered Sudama and he came running. His turban fell down, his garland fell down, all slippers fell down, and then he ran to greet Sudama. See, he greeted Sudama and his queens are all serving Sudama. And what Krishna did? He washed Sudama's feet with his own hands. See, Krishna is God, but he is the king of Dwaraka. And still, see what he's doing to a Sudama, poor person. But because Sudama is his friend, he did all this. Okay, washed his leg. So what Krishna is doing this devotional service just because, and Sudama didn't ask anything to Krishna because Krishna knows everything, no need to ask. And Sudama had some flat rice with him, poha, and he gave it. Okay, he didn't give in the beginning, but Krishna took it and Krishna ate, okay, with love and devotion. Whatever you give to Krishna, Krishna accepted. And Sudama so happy. Then Sudama didn't ask anything. He went back home. He didn't ask for money, anything. When he went back, he could not see his hut. The hut was changed to a mahal. It became a kingdom, and his wife was decorated with jewels, and his children were all given so much food. And Sudama was so surprised. Sudama didn't ask anything to Krishna, but Krishna knows everything. So this is what devotional service is. Sudama always used to meditate on Krishna in his form, the two-handed form of Krishna, and see how Krishna supplied him everything. So this is what small thing you do also, Krishna will help you. Okay, Saket, can you read that? Oh,
Yes,
Saket.
ma'am. Yes,
Ah.
Mataji. A person who accepted the path of devotional service is not
Bereft.
bereft of the result
Derived.
derived for studying the Vedas, performance
Austere sacrifices.
austere sacrifices, giving, chanting, or
Charity.
charity,
Pursuing
pursuing
philosophical
philosophies,
And fruiting
and
activities.
fruiting activities. At the end, he reaches the supreme abode.
Yes, very good. So whoever accepts the path of devotional service, okay, at the end we reach the supreme abode. Okay. So yes, what is devotional service, Kavish? What is devotional service? Just now I told. Okay, Deepya, what is devotional service?
Yes, ma'am.
Devotional service means what?
Chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
And chanting and what else? What are you doing now? Hearing Bhagavad Gita.
Learning about the God.
Yes. So chanting, hearing, and remembering God. And how can okay? So thank you. So yes, Sai Pravalika. How can we remember Krishna? What form we should remember Krishna?
We should two-handed form and by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes. So two-handed form is called what? What is that form?
Shama Sundara.
Yes, very good. So that's the Sham Sundar form of Krishna. Yes. And yes, Makam. So what is Krishna's mean? The word Krishna means what? Yesterday I told.
So attractive.
Very good. So Krishna means all attractive. And Niranjan. So who is God, Niranjan? Does God has a form?
Yes, Mataji, God has a flute in his hand who has lotus eyes,
Yes.
and he has thousands of beauties in one person.
Yes.
He
Very
has a
good.
peacock feather.
So he's a person, right? Is he a person?
Yes, he is a person with a two-handed like us only.
Yes, very good. So this is what you should tell. Okay. See, when you go to, when people ask you who's God, what did you learn from Bhagavad Gita? You should tell God is Krishna and he is a person. He has two-handed form like us. If somebody say no, Krishna, God doesn't have a form, you just meditate on vacuum. You meditate on light. Krishna is light. No, that light is coming from Krishna's body. So you should sell the Sham Sundar form and you can give references. See, you've heard Mannat Chawla telling she's very young, okay, and she knows Brahma Samhita. She learned so many verses of Bhagavad Gita. So we can take inspiration from such people, and we can also learn many things, okay. And if somebody asks, you can quote this. Venum kanvantam aravinda dayala daksham barhavatam shamashitam puda sundarangam kandarpakodi kamaniya vishesha shobham Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. So this is Brahma Samhita, and it says Krishna has beautiful peacock feather. Krishna has a lotus eyed. Krishna has a flute, and he wears yellow garment, and he has Vanamala, Vaichayanti Mala. So this is all Krishna's form, okay? And we should meditate on Krishna's form. That is very important to meditate on Krishna form. And if you can't do that, you chant Hare Krishna. So chanting Hare Krishna is the most important technique in Kali Yuga. There is no other way, no other way, no other way. So I told you, you should always chant with love and devotion. And yes. So I was telling you how to hold the Jabamala. Okay. Don't chant on this bead. Okay. This is Krishna bead. Don't chant on that. First you chant Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Okay. No need to unmute. You can also all chant from your place. And how we chant? Don't use the index finger. Always in the middle finger and thumb. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The whole mantra should be chanted in one beat, not half, okay? And 108 times, please do it. It will really help you. I heard so many people are chanting. So please do chant. Okay, chanting is very important. And yes, so many people have the mala, no? Yes, Anirudh, you have the mala. So can you show? How do you do that? कैसा जप करता है? हाँ हाँ, नहीं ले, वो लेफ्ट हैंड है ना, राइट हैंड में पकड़ो, राइट हैंड में होल्ड इट. यस, ऑलवेज ऑन द राइट हैंड, नॉट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड. ठीक है. यस, चांट. यू आर अनम्यूट, यू आर म्यूटेड. I can't hear you.
He's unmuted.
Ah. Okay, can you unmute him? Karthik Prabhu, can you unmute him? It's unmuted only. Okay. Okay, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes, Arna also has no Jabamala. Arna shows that. Yes, can you chant, Arna?
Hare Krishna, one minute. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare.
Very good.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Yes, Sai Pravalika, you also have a Jabamala. You can chant. Just show them how you chant. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Index finger is like this. Hold it. Ah, yes, very good. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. Yes, Sai Samyak, you also have no Jabamala.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama.
Okay. Who else has a Jabamala? Yes, Kavish. Kavish, show that.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. Yes. And Parthiv, hold it on the right hand, not left hand. Right hand में पकड़ो. हाँ, ठीक है. हाँ. और index finger ऐसा. हाँ, yes. Chant.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare
Okay, who's that with you? Your brother, no? Give him. Will he do it? He's so small. Hare Krishna, what's your name?
My name is Mayank Bara.
Oh, Mayank. Yes, Mayank. Show me how you're chanting.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Very well, very good. So nice to see young children. Okay, Shreya. Yes, Shreya. How do you do it? Ah, yes.
Hare Krishna, Hare.
You can hold your finger little down. I can't see your fingers. Ah, yes, correct. Okay. Yes, very good.
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Okay. Who else has a mala? I can't see anyone. Yes, Chaitrika. Yes, Chaitrika. Show me.
Hare.
Ah.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Now, Chaitrika, you should do the whole thing in one mala, in one bead. You're doing, huh?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Yes, very good, Mautika, very good. Okay. So that is very important. Okay, chanting is very important. That's why I told, see, that's why I told the whole mantra should be chanted. Some people are like going on doing this. No, in one bead the whole mantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Don't rush to the next bead. Only after finishing the whole mantra in one bead, go to the next bead. Okay, like this. And when you reach here, don't cross this bead. And what is the mantra to be chanted before Hare Krishna? Yeah, that was the homework yesterday. Who learned that? Who knows? Yes, yes, Monish. Who knows that? I can't see you. Yes, yes, Monish, you know? What is
Hare
the
Krishna,
mantra?
Mataji.
Yes, what is the mantra?
Mataji?
Chant the mantra, no? Before Hare Krishna, what we chant? The Panchatattva mantra, you know?
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara, Sri Vasudeva,
Sri Vasadi,
Guru Gaurava Bhakta Vrinda.
Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, yes. Tarun, yes, you know?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I know.
Yes, sing.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Very good. Yes. Yes, Monish.
Mataji?
You can chant on the beads. Yes. Index finger. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. Don't touch with the index finger. Okay. Yes.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare
Very
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Who else? Yes, Sharanya, you have the bead.
Ma'am, is this the mala?
That for time being you use that. That's okay. How many beads it has? 108?
No, ma'am.
How many are there?
It's like 60 beads only, ma'am.
That's okay. That's okay. See, for children, there are smaller mala. Okay, so 10 mala, 10 beads, 25 beads. That you can use. In the beginning, 108 is difficult. Okay, it might take long time. For now, use chant in that. Show me how you chant. Yes, yes, very good. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
So that's how we chant. Okay, and Huditya. Yes, you can chant.
Okay,
Show me.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Yes, and then
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. You chanting every day, Uditya?
Yes, ma'am. 3 rounds every day.
3 rounds. Hari bol. Very good. Okay, Charvi. Yes, Charvi.
Jai Shri Krishna Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, you have the mala, no? No problem. Okay. Yeah, so my friend, okay, the small, we have a small friend here, no, Anirudh. He was showing a video. I will send that to all of you. He's showing we can chant in the fingers also. Okay, that is true. Yes, Anirudh. So like this, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like that, in 10 times if you chant is also enough. Or you can chant like this, 1, 2, 3.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, as we are having these kind of blocks in our hand which are 12, so one side I count 9 times because 12 9 is 108. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 1 round. Then second time after they completed 9 times. Over here, I count over here is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mataji,
Yeah.
when I reached over here 12 times, and I counted 9 times over here, so 12 9 is 108. So I count like that.
Haribol. Wow, that's so cute. Yes, that is also another idea. Yes, yes. So I think almost all have chanted. Mautika chanted. Yes, Ashish. Ashish has a beat back. This thing, Jabamala. No problem. You can chant in the hand also, Ashish. Right? You learned
Hare Krishna,
Panchatuka.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yes. Ashish, you can chant Panchatattva mantra, you know. You should learn, okay? Tomorrow you should tell me. Yes, Raghavendra, what is the Panchatattva mantra?
I know.
You didn't learn? See? No, very bad. I thought you are a very good student, Raghavendra.
Sorry, Mataji, I don't see the. Now I'll. Sorry.
You should start, learning. Yes, Chandana, you know. You can chant.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Vasadhi
Gaura.
Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Haribol. Index finger like that. No. The middle finger. Index finger, you hold it in the, yes, very good. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Okay, very good. Yes. So, yes, Amrita, you have?
Yes, Mataji, I have.
Yes.
I chant like this.
Yes.
Hare Krishna,
Panchatattva mantra, you know?
No, Mataji, I'm learning.
You will learn. Okay. Yes,
Hare
start.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Yes, very good.
This beats are 108, Mataji.
Yes, 108. So how many times you do?
So I just do 2 times. One time here, again one time.
Very good. So 2 rounds you do. Very good. Yes, Tanvi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Yes, Puchita. Oh, you have a mala. It's in your this thing. Yeah, you take it out and show me how you do. Right hand. Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
No. First Hare Krishna, then Hare Rama. Just chant once more.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Very good. Yes, Ashwini. Yes. You can unmute. Yes.
Namaste, Mataji.
Namaste. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
I'm not seeing your hand. Just show your hand. Right hand. The camera mein. Down. Okay. Yes. Index finger, not like that. Index finger should be, yes, very good. Yes, like that.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Okay, very good. Yes. Mannat, your mother is there for the breakout room. Is she available? We should end the meeting at 6:50. There is another meeting, 6:50, 6:55. Karthik Prabhu, is Mannat there available? Hare Krishna, Mannat. Karthik Prabhu. No, I think la illa Manat. Okay, I think she's gone. She's gone. That's okay. So
Okay.
whoever. Okay. So today, first question we'll ask some 10 questions today. Okay. So whoever knows can raise the hand. Okay. So who is God? Yes. Who is God? Yes.
Yes,
Who is God?
Miss, God is the supreme personality.
Yeah. And what is his name?
His name is Krishna.
Very good. Yes, Arna. What is the Panchatattva mantra? Arna.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Okay. Charvi.
Yes, Mataji.
Why should we chant Hare Krishna?
We should chant Hare Krishna. We should chant Hare Krishna loudly and clearly that everyone could hear it, and everything would be happy and it would be good everywhere.
Very good. Yes. And Parthiv Bora.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was the childhood friend of Krishna? Classmate. The last story.
Rama.
Sudama. Yes. Very good. Makam, what is the peace formula, Makam?
Mataji,
Peace formula.
chanting Hare Krishna. I feel that we feel peace if we chant Hare Krishna.
Yes, but okay. Prabhupada told some peace formula. Now, Kavish, you know the peace formula? Who knows? Yes, Sai knows. Yes, Sai Pravalika, you know, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
tell me.
Please, God is a supreme controller. God is a supreme. God is best friend for us. We can make friend. We don't have friend. He's and he's well wisher of us.
Yes, and he's an enjoyer, right? Yes. So, okay, Makam, now repeat that. What is this peace formula? 3 things.
God is the supreme personality of Godhead. He is a well-wisher and he is a
He is the
friend.
supreme. And supreme controller and supreme enjoyer. Okay.
Mataji, once can I tell the Panchatattva mantra?
Yes.
जय हो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रवसादि गौर भक्त वृंदा.
Yes, very good. Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda. 1 second, Makam. Once more.
Okay, Mataji. जय हो कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रवसादि गौर भक्त वृंदा.
Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Okay. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya. It is. Okay. What else? Yes, Karthik Prabhu, you want to ask them something? Some question, simple question.
Yes, Mataji.
Ask.
Should I ask or should are they going to ask me like?
You ask one question, like 2 questions.
Okay. Okay. Is this from chapter 4? Is this body or soul which is real, or what are we actually? Are we body?
Kavish, can you answer that?
We are a soul.
Very good. Yes. And the next question, Prabhu.
Yeah. Next question. Mataji, you can ask Mataji. I'll just think about it.
So, yes. So, okay. So, what is Hare Krishna? Everything we'll discuss. What form of Krishna we should meditate on? Pujita, what is the form of Krishna we should meditate?
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't know.
Form of Krishna? Just okay. You drew Krishna, no? Did you draw Krishna?
Ma'am,
The
two-handed
drawing. And what he has on the head?
Peacock feather.
Some feather. And in the hand, what he holds in the hand?
Flute.
Yes. And which color dhoti he wears? Which color he likes?
Yellow.
Yeah, very good. So that is the form of Krishna. Okay, that's
Okay.
the two-handed form of Krishna. We should
Okay,
know.
What is the color of Krishna? Can anyone tell?
Nirvigna, can you answer that? What is the color of Krishna? I can't hear you, Nirvigna. Yes, Nirvigna, what is the color? Anirudh, you can tell. We can't hear you.
Yeah, I think they are still muted.
Yes, Huditya.
Mataji.
They are muted. I'm unmuting them.
Krishna is blue
Yes.
color with a dark complexion.
Yeah. Yes, very good. Bluish black, no? Yes, Shyam Sundar. Yeah, yes, Prabhu. Next question.
What is the place where Krishna resides? So can anyone tell me
Yes.
where does Krishna reside?
Ashish.
Ma'am, Dwarka.
No, not
Yeah,
in
but
this. Not in this material, but it's original place actually where he resides.
I showed a flower-like thing, no? Flower.
That Vrindavan.
Goloka Vrindavan. Very good.
Goloka.
Yes, Golok Vrindavan. And then next question, Prabhu.
Okay. Who is Radharani? Can anyone tell?
Bhargav.
Radharani is another form of Lord Krishna. She is Lord Krishna herself. From Lord Krishna and Radharani, other demigods and other lords come.
Very bold. Very good. Yes. So what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tell us to do in Kali Yuga? Yes, Harini. What should we do in Kali Yuga? Harini?
We should chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes. And who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Abhita Patil. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Anybody knows? See, we are singing, no? Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya. So you should know who is Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Abhita, she's unmuted. Yes. Okay, Shriya, you know who's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Shriya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Jai Shri. Okay. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayade Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauradeshanama. He is Krishna himself who came in Kali Yuga in the color of Radharani. Okay, to give us Harinam. Okay, and now anybody has question, you can ask.
I'll ask one more question, Mataji.
Yes.
So when should we think about Krishna? Can someone tell when should we think about Krishna?
Yes, Chandana, can you answer that?
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Mataji, we should think of Krishna when we are in trouble and when we are lonely.
Okay, anyone else? Can you try? Anyone else, please try.
You have to unmute, Prabhuji.
Okay, Vijay Krishna, can you please unmute yourself?
At the time of death.
Sai Samyak is messaging in chat when we die.
Okay.
At the time of death.
Yes, actually, we should think about Krishna all the time. Actually, not only at the time of death. All the time we should think about Krishna. Then
Yes, Sardadam Kirtayandama. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says Kirtaniya Sadahari. Okay, so if it's not possible, you have to chant at least the 10 minutes what you take every day. That you should do. Then at the time of death, we can remember. This meeting at 7 p.m. is not your meeting. It is another meeting. So I have to end this meeting by 6:55.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Hare Krishna. Okay, so who has a Prabhu? You can stop recording.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Arna, you have a question.